Hey guys, this is Natasha with Perfected Travel, and I'm here at Azul Beach Resort and Spa. I'm here with my daughter. She's actually celebrating her 21st birthday, and so I'm going to give you a tour of the room real quick. Just a second. So when you are celebrating a particular event like an anniversary or a birthday, they'll put a sign up. So that's that for my daughter, and we're staying at room 1101. We're in building 1, which is the premier building. And what that means is it's like a higher category room. And you also have the swim up rooms on the lower level, which is the one that we're in. So that's bathroom, the toilet area, nothing special. Double sinks, and they have the water for you to brush your teeth, as well as toiletry items. You have a scale underneath along with your towels. And there's the blow dryer and a vanity mirror. And here is the shower area. So you'll see there's a rain head shower. And what they have is it's like a little frosted glass right here. So you can see a silhouette of a person, but you won't actually be able to see the person. So if that's the issue with you, then I would suggest either trying to cover it up, or you might want to pick another place because it is frosted. So this is the cabinet that you see when you first walk into the door, and it has an ironing board along with the iron and the robes and the slippers. So this is one side of the cabinet. And on the other side, you have shelving space as well as your safe. So, and it also comes with an umbrella that you can carry around the property if it rains. Okay, a little place to store your luggage. We just actually got into the room, so all of our stuff is kind of stacked neatly there. And then when you come into the room, let me put on some lights, see if that makes excuse me. All the lights is probably up front. But this is a bed. It's a king size bed. They didn't have any queen beds for us, so we're gonna have to share. And I didn't want a single rollaway bed, so. But as you can see, they decorated the bed for her birthday. It's very pretty, and it smells very fragrant in here from the rose petals. But you'll have your nightstand on one end with the remote and alarm clock. And also there's a little cake for her birthday. Then you have the TV here. And right underneath there is the refrigerator, and it is fully stocked. And you can also use the app. If you download the resort's app on your phone, you can use the app to request extra water, more towels, turn down service, things like that. So here's the coffee area for you. You have your ice bucket, bit of art on the wall, a little small area to sit and eat. You have the sofa bed. There's the phone. And you have a little jacuzzi in your room. It comes with the towels and the bath salts, and you can request more of that. And out here is the patio. Let's take a look. You have your reclining bed. And that's the birthday girl. So you have the seating area, and that right there is a hot tub. And it comes with the premium section. And you have a little lounge that's partially in the water. And that's it. And it's right across from one of the bars. So you have access to get you some drinks. All right. All right. So let me know if you have any questions. Again, my name is Natasha with Perfected Travel. If you're interested in this resort as well as other resorts that I might post, let me know and I can definitely help you. You can just send me a message. My contact information is also posted, so feel free to email me or give me a call. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.